Here I have 2 tins of cream of chicken soup, 2 cheap ones, okay, and they're going to go into the liquidizer along with the chicken. Right, I've placed the chicken pieces in the liquidizer and I'm now going to put 2 cans of soup in. Okay, we've pre-placed the top and we're going to make this into a really nice thick chicken soup. And because it's a soup, it takes longer to digest and it's very, very good for dieting. Also, I've added some mixed herbs to this, give it a nice flavour, and that's been mixed in as well. Here's the finished item. It's cream of tomato chicken soup with extra real chicken, sliced roast chicken, and that'll be very, very nice. And it's got rid of the sliced roast chicken. Okay, here we have the chicken soup, extraordinaire with mixed herbs, and we're going to heat it up in the microwave for about 5 minutes and then leave it stand so the herbs infuse. And there you go. Alright, here we are. This is the chicken soup with the added ingredients, and it's not bad at all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please rate and comment.